What's the meaning of all-important? All-important. 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 All-important.
The phrase, all-important, is used to describe something that is extremely essential, crucial, or significant. It emphasizes the importance of the particular thing being discussed and places great significance on its role or impact. The term can be applied to a wide range of contexts, from individual decisions to larger-scale events or circumstances. Overall, the usage of all-important highlights the critical nature of the subject being discussed and underscores its vital role in the situation at hand.